They're all around you, in hospitals everywhere. They're in patient rooms, classrooms, and offices. They're the superheroes of nursing. And at Mosby's Nursing Suite, we need you to help us find, honor, and recognize them. Each month, we'll focus on a core quality that makes nurses truly special. Your mission is to nominate the super nurse in your life at mosbysheroes.com. We're looking for the protectors, strong in skills and steadfast in spirit. These nurses make everyone feel safe in their pursuit of outstanding care. We're looking for the achievers. Their seemingly endless knowledge and skill let them deftly tackle task after task. We're looking for the educators, the go-to nurses who have the right answer to every question and who are always ready to share their powers with others. And we're looking for the validators, those nurses who are leading the way to quality, excellence, and accreditation. At Mosby's Nursing Suite, we're dedicated to giving nurses everywhere the power to deliver the best patient care with confidence. And we're committed to honoring those nurses who go above and beyond every day. Join Mosby's Nursing Suite as we celebrate the superheroes of nursing. The 4 winners will be revealed at the Magnet Conference in October. Visit mosbysheroes.com today.